Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to review KZ Krila. This is KZ's most cheapest IEM which comes with tuning switches. Its price is only 16 US dollar. Isn't it shocking and surprising? But that's not it. The way KZ has actually presented this IEM is very surprising. I have provided links in the description. You can see for yourself its presentation. I didn't want to talk too much about it, but I have to because the marketing claims are very high for this IEM. So I think first I should unbox it and then we'll discuss its marketing claims and then I will test it and make its review. So subscribe my YouTube channel right now so you will not miss any of my future videos. Let's unbox it. So you have saw the unboxing. All the unboxings of KZ products are same, so I won't talk about that. Everything is simple and standard. So my first question is why so hyped? I have only one question. So let's move on to its marketing claims first, which are very high. So first one is no rivals under $1,000. The best IEM under $1,000. The second one is the more expensive one is not good as IM. KZ Krila sound quality I mean. And the third one is this is definitely a must have KZ IEM. Before going into review, I want to tell you something that I am very satisfied with KZ brand because I think they are doing a very good job. Every month they keep launching new products and people keep buying them like blindly in a good way. I will try to make a separate video on this topic as well, the title of which will be why KZ products get sold blindly. And I also don't understand why KZ hyped Krila so much but not their other flagship IEMs like AS24 and others. So let's find out and I will come back with a review video. Welcome back friends. Now actually I have tested them and I will share my honest opinion with you guys. And if I have to actually say one sentence and a complete sentence about them, and that would be they are actually good, very good for their price, but they are not that much impressive. So it can compete with IEMs under $100 probably, but not $1,000. You can see my other reviews on my channel. I try to cover everything and I make different chapters as well, but for KZ product I will only talk about its sound quality, and that's also KZ wants. If I have to say about its sound quality, first I have to say that it has a very good bass, a very good treble and good vocals as well. Everything is average, pretty standard. It's quite a normal standard IEM like the rest of KZ IEMs. Yes, there is one thing that I want to talk about, and that is that these IEMs are actually too loud. Like it looks like they've been amplified too much, just like KZD5. So you won't need any amplifier, just like KZD5 also didn't need it amplifier. And so it is a good thing. If I were to rate its sound quality, it would be 8 out of 10. And just like we talk about finishing in build quality, I want to talk about the finishing of the sound quality of this IEM as well. I mean tuning of its sound quality. I felt a bit lacking. I just don't know why. I felt that it wasn't completely finished well. If it did, it would have gone about D5, but right now I think D5 is better than Gorilla. And another thing that I want to talk is that their comfort level is also not good. I have used it for 8 to 10 hours and I felt a little pain. I have no idea what could be causing this. I mean, is this the design of its shell is different, or maybe the small gap between the earphones and wire is causing the problem for me? I don't know, because as soon as I took them off and replaced them with my daily driver, which is Transdim Kara, I felt so relieved. I don't think that I can use Gorilla continuously. Oh, and I forgot to tell you something, and these are the tuning switches. The tuning switches, I would zoom in for you. You can see these are 4 tuning switches on one and the 4 tuning switches on other. So I have checked them, and completely I have checked them 5 times so that I can see any difference, but I didn't get any change in sound. And that's it. And I also want to know, please let me know in the comments, do you like short reviews or long reviews? This is very important for me to know, because I can do short reviews and I don't have any problem doing long reviews as well. And do you guys like comparison videos? Because if you like them, I will also bring some comparison videos as well. Like I have this KZ AS24 as well that I will be reviewing shortly, very soon, so I can I can make comparison videos as well. And this was my Gorilla's review. I will rate it 8 out of 10 in everything, but whatever, many people have bought it, and 1000 plus have been sold on AliExpress and on their website as well. I have given the links of KZ Gorilla in my description, you can check them out. And that's it for my video. I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel, because there will be many amazing videos coming that you will surely love. Must press the bell icon so that you don't miss any and get notified instantly. And thank you very much for watching my video.